Sausage! Bloody hell! Have you spoken to him much recently or not? What the hell?
I spoke to him directly, but no. I messaged him a bit of the day to say, listen, we normally get out for the curry at Christmas with George. I said, it's almost curry time, so they could hibernate and fucking hide. So I'll see if he comes back. I don't know,
I'm hoping I can catch Haley's. I'm hoping I can catch Haley's comment here. There's a white van gone past, right? And it's like the fucking Red Arrows display. Fucking smoke coming out the back. It just reminded me when that's his fucking cylinder head gasket's gone. That. Come on, man, you bloody sausages! Don't give a shite, do they? What the hell?
I've got the tackle. Chatting this morning across button to follow as player of the match getting roasted with another one here. It's 13-2.
In hell's bells, man. Good reactions there. Did you ever go to Boccia at the Sands?
What?
They do this Boccia at the Sands Centre. It's like balls, but they use soft balls and stuff.
She used to, but she doesn't. Now. She likes, like, on an afternoon when she's been out, she gets in and she gets herself at home and she doesn't look out.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Unless she's going to her sister's or something for the tea, it's organised. Or if you're on your holidays, you'll think about till night time, won't you?
This sausage in the left lane turning right, honest to God. Bloody hell.
Edinburgh. Well, you need to be a good lass for Edinburgh. Yes, darling. Yes, darling.
Bloody hell, man, what a bunch of sausages. Wait until the green man's on. How many times do I have to keep telling these pedestrians? Bloody hell.
And you can also text us 81333 against Start to let us BBC standard network.
Oh yeah, man, you daft sausage.
Tonight by John
Bloody hell, nearly flattened you. On his phone, no idea. Sausage or us?
Sunderland and Wales defender. Hello Danny, how are you doing?
Good evening, Friday.